Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's I Anila. Today we are going to see an basic recipe, that's how to set curd. It's our fourth recipe in our cooking series for beginners. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Here I am taking half liter of full cream milk. Take a pan, pour milk into the pan, let it heat. You must not heat it high. It must be hot as you can put your finger into the milk. Can you see bubbles are coming? Now let's check. We'll put our finger. Yeah, it's done now. Let's turn off the stove. Let it rest for a minute. Now add half spoon of curd and mix it well. Keep it aside overnight. Now see the result. Our curd is so thick now. Can you see? I'll take 1 spoon and I'll show you. Hope this video would be helpful for you. Do try it at home. Comment in comment section below. Thank you.